Do you have the habit of spending way too much time on Amazon? Don't worry, a lot of us can relate to that. No shame, really. But if you are looking for some cool and fun items, then you are in luck, as in today's video, we are going to save lots of your time. Welcome to Lit Technology, and for this video, we are going to take a look at the coolest items that you can buy right now on Amazon. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Comment your thoughts on the items that we are going to talk about right now. Are you tired of eating your meals in a boring manner? Eating alone can be so boring at times, but with the Chopsticks, every meal feels like an action movie. Literally, if you may have already guessed from the name, this product is chopsticks. But no ordinary chopsticks, as they can literally turn into mini nunchucks. It is super small, so you can carry it around. Someone invites you to lunch, take the Chopsticks and showcase your kung fu prowess. But the best thing about this item is that it is made out of titanium. Imagine if everyone in the world bought one of these things, saving millions of trees and chopsticks production every year. You can support the cause for $40. Speaking of Asian cultures, have you ever heard of the concept of wabi-sabi? In traditional Japanese aesthetics, wabi-sabi is a worldview centered on the acceptance of transience and imperfection, and that is the inspiration of the FLIKR Fire, the next device on our list. The design is very simple, but you can see the beauty of it. It works like a mini campfire that helps you relax and calm even during difficult situations. For less than $100, you can get a fireplace that you can take wherever you are. And because it is made out of cement, you can use it for years to come. It makes use of isopropyl alcohol and can last for almost an hour. That item would be nice to bring during camping trips. But you know what else would be great during camping trips? All-Purpose Knives. For just a small price of $11, you can get the Yupin next tool. There are multiple campsites everywhere in the world, and if you are into camping, then this device is for you. You now have 10 useful tools that come with the knife, such as a cutter, a SIM card tray pin, and a lot more. It is also super small, which makes it awesome to carry around. Even if you are out of camp, you can carry it around for safety. Not a fan of Yupin? Well, maybe the Creation Matrix multi-tool will suit you better. It is more expensive than the Yupin at $90, but it offers a lot more for everyday problems, not just camping. It has a screwdriver, a whistle, a cutter, and a lot more tools that might be useful for certain situations. I really like this device because it is super durable, being made out of VG10 steel. Yeah, it is still $90, but you can use it for years to come. It is super light, so you can carry it around and be used in different situations. Here's one more multi-tool. The creators of the Tukin Silver believe that you can make use of it wherever you will go. With this multi-tool, you can fix everything from a bicycle to furniture to a fire. Ask for assistance up to 500 feet away and avoid getting lost in the dark. This model also includes a laser rangefinder, which is something you won't find in comparable products. The tool has an overall size of 4.8 by 2.5 inches. The manufacturers claim that it is still a pocket-sized gadget. It costs $179 and has a weight of 8 ounces. Whether it's fishing, camping, or hiking, this is a very cool device. But what you actually need during those hot summer days camping trip is a nice, cool place to sleep. If you have $200 extra just laying around, then consider buying the Icy Flow. This device is basically a universal air conditioner. What do I mean by that? This device is a mobile air conditioner, perfect for camping trips. It can cool up to 2,500 cubic feet per hour, and once charged, it can last for about 6 hours. This means that you can go to sleep with it in peace. Not only is it an air conditioner, it can also be used as a power bank if you need to juice up your phone, or a Bluetooth speaker so you can have a good time. Speaking of power banks, don't you just hate it if your device just ran out of battery, but you just need it for like 10 minutes to send a message or something? But you also don't want to carry a normal power bank, as it can be heavy. But with the world's smallest power bank, the rolling square towel, you can ensure that you can use your device wherever you go, even in emergencies. This power bank can be used as a keychain because of how small and light it is at only 1.4 ounces. It comes with USB-C lighting and micro USB cables, making sure that there is a port for every phone. Yeah, it only has 1,400 milliamp hours for charging, which is not enough for a full charge. But if you just use it for emergencies, it is super sweet. Have you ever wanted to shoot the awesome aerial video but don't just have the right tools to do so? GoPros are great and all, but they can just be plain without accessories. But what do you think of these enormous canisters in the shape of darts called the GoPro Air? Incorporate the camera inside the head and throw it like a drone to shoot interesting videos. The soft foam shields your camera from harm, and the distance is around 98 feet. Versions 3 Plus to 11 of the GoPro Hero cameras are compatible with this device. Additionally, there is a variant for smartphones if you're up for some adventure. It costs $75 to purchase. Okay, enough with the camping devices. Let us focus on your workspace for a bit. Does your blood pressure rise when you see all the unmanaged cables in the workspace? All those distracting wires that connect to everything and anything just ruins the aesthetic for some people. Well, say goodbye to bad cable management with the Quickdraw. This system's designers have saved the day by enabling cables to be neatly routed under the desk while still providing enough length to join them. With a little practice, you can pull out the wires you need without even looking because the system is installed with glue that is suited for all cables. Priced at $13, the set includes 2 little clips, a large base, and a cleaning cloth.
If you're looking for life insurance but don't want to have to take a medical exam, you may be wondering how much coverage you can get. The good news is that if you qualify for no medical exam life insurance, you can get up to $2 million in coverage. Please click link in description or call 888-405-4866.
Do you want to work and only to work? Want to type your thoughts and feelings away without being distracted by the internet? Well, the Freeride Traveler has got your back as it does not connect to the internet, meaning no social media distractions. It is a success even with a $500 price tag. Customers receive a full-size mechanical keyboard for this cost, an electronic book reader style e-ink display. More than 30 languages are available along with interaction with cloud services like Google Drive. Additionally, it has a standalone application. 1 million pages can fit in the memory, and a single charge lasts 4 weeks. This typewriter is portable and easy to carry around with you because of its 1.6-pound weight. VR headsets are one of the hottest things in the world right now. If you remember in one of our videos, we talked about CES 2023. The Vive XR Elite is one of those devices, and it won an award deservingly so. The device has a diopter adjustment, which is something that many people with glasses can appreciate. You can play without your glasses even if you have poor vision. Interpupillary distance, or IPD, can also be altered. You'd feel like you were wearing someone else's spectacles without this choice. Almost any task is simply handled by the headset. You can watch movies and play games on the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor, which has 12 gigabytes of RAM and a resolution of 3840 by 1920 pixels. And it also comes with 2 controllers so you don't have to worry about mixing and matching with other companies. Yeah, all of that for over $1,000. If you are a gamer, then you must have at one point in your life thought about being a streamer. If that dream is still there, then you might appreciate the Elgato Stream Deck. With the aid of this controller, you may change the sound, post messages to social media, navigate between windows, and carry out other operations in real time. You can program certain keys or combinations for various functions on each of the 15 keys, which each function as a miniature display. The device is lightweight with just 7 ounces, making carrying it simple. The unique stand offers a comfortable tilt position. For instance, if you're visiting another streamer, it costs $126. So, if you really love to play games and would like to shoot your shot at streaming, consider this device. Are you always on the road with your bicycle? You know how important it is to have helmets. And if you are looking for a new one, the Rava is perfect for you. This may look like a weird helmet, but it does its job pretty well. The polystyrene foam and thermoplastic helmet have an origami-like design. Reviews indicate that the helmet is fairly comfy, weighs only 15 ounces, and conforms to the curve of the head. The helmet has received recognition from experts and awards in a number of design competitions. It can fit in a purse because the helmet is so small. It has already earned a municipal safety certificate and transforms in 10 seconds. It is safe, and you can carry it inside with you so you won't lose it easily. This last device is for all my D&D buddies out there. You understand how frustrating it can be to roll the dice more than once in a turn when playing Dungeons and Dragons. Due to the abundance of cards, tokens, and other items on the table, it may be an inconvenience. The Roulette Dice can help in this situation. D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, D20, and D% dice are combined in the design, and you can request a unique look for particular games. The cost of a set of roulette dice, which are constructed of zinc alloy and come with a carrying case, is $39. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed watching. What was your favorite item? Be sure to comment down below your thoughts as we really love reading from you guys. Subscribe to the channel and hit like on the video. See you next time only here on Lit Technology.